It's the showdown we've all been waiting for. Today, it's Karen's versus the police.
Fight!
It's a police vehicle.
I understand that, but I can't just let it go. It's not like I can just let it go. I have to do what's safe for my job as well.
Yeah.
She still wants to come and she wants to make sure that's our policy. That's the way.
If I miss my airplane, you folks are in trouble.
Okay.
Wait, so did they hit the back of a police car and then she's like, I better not miss my flight. Ma'am, you can't do a hit and run. That's illegal, and we're the police.
Excuse me.
Hello, how are you?
I'm not well. I'm being held from going to the airport. I missed my plane.
Okay,
You folks are in trouble.
I'm sorry, who are you?
I'm the chancellor.
Okay, I don't know.
Jeez, she's the chancellor.
I'm the chancellor.
Don't let anybody forget that. Like, what does a chancellor even do? Sorry if that's ignorant, but who are you?
Can we get another car? No, I don't want.
My God, she's insane. I hope she missed her flight just for acting like that. Like, you can get another flight. This is not the only plane ever. It's not like this is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to catch a flight to wherever you're going. Lady, you were just involved in an accident. Chill. That was unexpected. A lot of things in that video were unexpected. First of all, I just wasn't expecting the man who was asking for money to just turn so quickly. He got very aggressive and very angry very fast. And I also was not expecting that. I mean, it's Karen's versus the police. I should have known, but I was not expecting that police officer to just walk in. I like the approach though. You good?
Good.
Things, in fact, were not going well in that moment, so thank goodness he arrived. He was arrested on his birthday, and the police decided to give him a little party, but he doesn't look too happy. Today he's 18.
Parabéns pra você nessa data querida, muitas felicidades.
I don't think it's the 18th birthday party he wanted. Ay, 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 not good, not good. And when you turn 18, the rules change, man. That's serious trouble now. Not good. Not good at all. Scooters in public are illegal in this country.
Stop! What does it say? What does it say? Listen, mate, what does it say? It says to positive police attach. I do, but I'm not trying to give it to her.
That's crazy. I've heard that like electric scooters are also illegal in Canada, but it's just like not really enforced. I've heard that, I don't know, which would be surprising to me because I feel like I see a lot of electric scooters, so I don't know. I get why they're illegal though. Like I see people whipping, like going so fast on electric scooters, no helmet, in a freaking t-shirt. Like seriously, they can be dangerous. That's crazy though. I wasn't expecting anybody to get arrested over it.
You don't want to complete the test?
No, I don't.
Okay. So you know we don't want to be put in this position.
You know what, John? I get it.
You don't have your weapon on you or anything? You don't have any firearms?
No, it's
I got a sword. Or LT.
shit, no.
Okay.
No.
Alright. We're going to have to bring you in and put you on the box based on the test. You know we don't want to do this. We have to do everything's recorded. You understand that?
Yeah.
No, I get that.
Yeah, man. Yikes. Like, they were being extra calm, and that would be really frustrating to be put in that situation. You obviously, it's the last thing you want to do, but like, it's your duty. It's the thing you signed up for. You have to do it. And like, it would be so much worse to just let it slide. Like, to be put in that position, like, I feel like I would be angry, you know? Because you should know better. Out of all the people, everyone should know better, but like, you know, hopefully that guy got the help he needed, because it's a serious thing. Up to 10 Met police officers arrest man in Bromley for having tinted windows. I don't think that's an arrestable offense. That's probably a ticket, right?
They doing now? What?
the problem?
They pulled him over for the kid.
I told you to check the car. I told you to check the car. Can you keep still when your hands are tied behind your back? Do you keep still when your hands are cuffed behind your back? You get this one.
Some of your warrant number for your arrest. Get Sophie, arrest for dangerous condition, and the vehicle is dangerous condition.
I guess he is getting arrested for that. It sounded like he said he was being arrested for having a vehicle in dangerous condition. I mean, this is clearly not Canada, so I don't know anything about whatever that law is, but in Canada, for something like this, you would just get a ticket. I think that's it.
Do not touch me, Mr. Toon. Let go of my arm.
Stand still.
Let go
Not while you're
my
being
arm.
searched, no, because you're moving
Mate,
around.
get out of my face.
Alright. What's in that?
My leg, your legs is in there. Do you want my to hang out?
Dang. I mean, you're being searched. You have to be searched. That's just, I know you're not excited to be interacting with the police, but like, you have to. It's for everyone's safety. It'd be pretty weird if they just didn't because you didn't want to. Really not how that works. I guess they just wanted to be arrested for more things. I like don't get why people do this. I know that they like think it would be like cool and funny, but it's really not cool or funny to get arrested, in my personal opinion. But maybe that's just me. Maybe that's a hot take.
You're right.
So, police officer, so I'm arrested.
What other vehicles or other police forces came to for myself? Yeah, basically. Interested in what kind of police came down. No, not on me. Not on me. No, not on me. Out of curiosity, because since we were engaged, if you don't mind, are you on overtime or are you? So you're not at liberty to discuss? I will do. Thank you. Have a good day. Have a good day. Hopefully you're not going to see you again. Hopefully not. Touch wood. Take care. See you later. Take care.
This is so random. I don't understand the point of this interaction. Is there any reason why you're recording police vehicles, is what he says at the beginning. I mean, fair enough. Good question to ask. Seems weird just for everyone's safety, you know? It's like, people do weird things, so I don't blame him for asking, and then I also don't blame him for not answering whether he's on overtime or not, because I don't think anybody needs to know that, you know? Just is weird. Weird behavior. Something's going on there, you know?
You understand it's a serious traffic offense in the state of
Cop impersonator gets arrested. These people are crazy.
Are you with somebody?
Thousands.
7.
Okay.
But after 27 years,
I've
never had someone treat me like that.
Treat you like what?
Yeah, like you're treating me. Yeah.
I've never had anybody not say,
Dude,
sir,
be a nice guy. I said,
I'm
sir,
with
I didn't.
so-and-so.
No, I don't say that.
That's weird to not, if you're gonna identify yourself as a police officer, I've given out thousands of tickets, but you don't want to say the department you work for? It's a little weird, isn't it?
That's not how I operate.
Even when I ask you
It's
who
not
you're
how he
with,
operates.
Yeah, I can't tell you.
No.
It will not.
It doesn't. But
Very
you're right,
undercover.
you put a hat on,
Yeah, I had 'em.
but if you don't want anybody to know who you are, I wouldn't wear the hat. Because I have a warrant for your arrest for impersonating a police officer.
Oh! At the end, when did I say that? Well, let me pull up my body cam recording. That's so funny. I like the... I like that in the first interaction that the police officer's like, well, if you don't want anybody to know who you are, then why are you wearing the hat? Like, I just love that. Doesn't take a trained investigator to figure that out, but I like that he calls it like he sees it, you know? Guys, that's it. That's all the clips we have for today. Hope you had a fun, silly goose time. I sure did. I've been your host today, Olivia Kozlowski, and I will see you again soon. Bye! Alrighty, Rue. It's the showdown we've all been waiting for. Today, it's Karen's versus the police. That's it. That's it. That's who it involves. Oops. Sorry, there's that escape thing. So I'm just gonna restart. And looks like that was good because it was still buffering. Worked out well. Thank goodness he arrived. In the nick of time, some would say. That's great. And the follow-up at the end there, just so we know what happened. Oh, doesn't get any better than that. Based on like the description at the top though, that's not what I thought the video was gonna be. Pretty sure. That's crazy that he got. The, like, description of it, the text made it seem, like, significantly more dramatic than this was. Like, it seemed like there was gonna be, like, 10 police officers, like, on him, you know? It wasn't like that. It seemed like a fairly chill situation, but it does just seem, like, really dramatic that somebody's getting arrested over window tint. So maybe that's just the law where they are, or maybe something else is afoot.